This is about as good as you'll get for a South Harlem 2-bedroom. So first off, you've got this amazing living room. Facing the front, this is a 3rd floor walk-up, and you have that little archway that goes into the kitchen with a dishwasher as well as laundry. Decent cabinet space. I don't love the countertops, and now the apartment gets a little long. So you walk in right there, and so far so good. You've got a little kitchen with space for a table, and then a living room just beyond that. You've got a closet right here with the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. It's perfectly fine. It's got a little tub. Again, this half is great. And then you've got this part, which pretty decent as well. You've got 1 bedroom. It's the smaller of the 2. You've got a closet over there, and then all the way at the end, this is a floor-through apartment. So it starts at the beginning of the building, and you go straight to the back. Here's bedroom number 2. You'll be under $1,600 each. And you've got Central Park about 3 blocks down that way.